All right, tech enthusiasts, let's dive into the fascinating world of Gmail's architecture. First things first, grab a chair and sit down. Switch on your computer and check your internet connection. Ready? Great, now log into your system. Open your browser and type in gmail.com. When you hit enter, your request zooms through the internet and lands at Google's server. Now, this is where the magic happens. The server handles both client-side and server-side applications. Your computer, the client, downloads the client-side application from the server as a response. This is why you see that familiar Gmail interface loading up on your screen. Think of it as receiving a static page. It's the framework you interact with. Now, time to enter your credentials. Once you type in your username and password and hit login, another request is sent to the server. The server then checks your credentials against its database to ensure you're you. If all's good, it sends back the data you need, your emails, contacts, and more. In essence, Gmail's architecture is a seamless dance between your computer and Google's powerful servers, ensuring you get your emails in a split second. And there you have it, a quick walkthrough of how Gmail's architecture works. From sitting down and logging in to receiving your emails, it's all about efficient communication between the client and server. Stay curious, techies. Until next time, keep exploring the digital world.